Hello ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the Detailed Recipes channel. In this video you will see the traditional Turkish Tirit Kebab being made. This kebab is made differently in different cities of Turkey. Konya style Tirit Kebab you will watch in this video. Shish kebabs mixed with lamb and veal. Special tirid water made with 30 kinds of spices, bone broth and national flowers. The most important thing is to use the best quality butter in this kebab. Now you can watch and detail how it's done. First, lamb and beef are prepared without bones. Pass through the meat grinder in the form of fine minced meat. A little finely chopped parsley and onion can be added, optionally. After chopping a few rounds with a large kebab knife, it needs to be kneaded a little. Prepared minced meat is placed on iron kebab skewers. Click the bell icon to get notification of the newest videos, turn on notifications. Oak charcoal is used to cook shish kebabs. If you make shish kebab in this way, cook it on high heat so that it does not spill while cooking. Kebabs are cooked completely until they are browned well. Meats are cooked without drying. You can see how juicy the inside of kebabs is. Shish kebabs are sliced into thin and long fingers. The meat of the tirit kebab is prepared and a special sauce is made to pour it over this kebab. Currant, powdered cardamom, coconut, yellow sesame, yellow poppy, cumin. New spring, powdered mahaleb, powdered cinnamon, powdered coriander, powdered spice, ketone powder. Basil, dried basil, 3 different powdered thyme, dried mint, powdered pistachio, powdered hazelnuts. Sumac, black cumin, black pepper, garlic powder, natural flowers and bone broth. This tirit water is special to this cook, it's not made this way everywhere. Butter. Trying to squeeze out the water in the butter with his hand. Butter preparation this way. Dry patties are made on the side to place under the kebab. The yeast dough is shaped into a round shape and cooked over a wood fire. Pita bread is cut into small cubes. The sliced pita is added to the earthenware casserole. Whipped strained yogurt. Plenty of meat is added on it, the plate is completely full for one person. Small tomato slices and green pepper. The prepared plate enters the special tirid furnace and is fried for 1-2 minutes. Butter is very hot fried on the top of the stove. Chopped parsley. Special healing kebab water. Fried hot butter. I can say that it is satisfying and very tasty enough for one person. Do not doubt the taste of traditional food, it is always good. Click the bell icon to get notification of the newest videos, turn on notifications. Thanks for watching, see you in the new video.